How to make pom-pom hair accessories. You will need some wool. You want really strong wool that won't break when you pull it, a fork, pair of scissors, and some elastic. Or you can decorate old hairbands or hair slides if you have some. First, you need to wrap your wool around your fork. Take one end and hold it in place in the middle of the fork prongs. Wrap the wool around, keeping it in the centre. Bobby's wound hers round about 30 times, but you can experiment depending on the thickness of your wool. Cut the wool. Now you need to cut another piece about 20 centimetres long to tie around your little bundle. Poke one end down between the middle fork prongs and up again under your wool and loosely tie together. Gently ease the bundle off the prongs and now pull your knot so it's really tight. You may want to ask someone to put a finger over it while you pull, and then do another knot on top. It will look like a bow. Don't cut off the ends yet, as you can use them for tying onto your hair accessories. Cut the loops at each end of your bow shape and fluff out the strands. Your pom-pom will need a little haircut, so holding it up by the long ends, give it a little trim so it's a nice round shape. You can make hair bands by knotting a piece of elastic. Tie your pom-poms on and cut off the wool ends. If you have some felt, you can make pom-pom cherries and decorate an Alice band. And you can also make little felt ears and tie them up with your pom-pom. You can tie onto necklaces or bracelets. And why not revamp your sneakers or sew onto socks? Get creative, you're the designer.